Hey everyone, today I'll tell you how to transfer money from Paysafecard to Skrill. It's very easy to do. You can do it very easily. First, go to Skrill.com and log into your account. In the add section, click on Paysafecard, enter the amount you want to deposit and change the currency of the transaction if you want the money to be added in one of your secondary balances. Then a summary of your transaction will appear on the screen. To complete the payment, click on go to Paysafecard. You will then be redirected to the Paysafecard website to complete the payment. You have to remember your Skrill wallet and your Paysafecard account must be registered in the same country. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money from Paysafecard to Skrill.